Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making stuffed bitter gourd. For this we need coriander seed, 1 medium sized sliced onion, fennel seed, fenugreek seed, cumin seed, coriander seed powder, red chili powder, salt to taste, onion seed, dry mango powder, turmeric, garlic. So first take bitter gourd, slit them, leave half an inch upper side and slit them. Take out the seed and pulp using your thumb or finger or a spoon. Make sufficient space for stuffing. Now take a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seed, cook till it changes its color. Now add quarter teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, add quarter teaspoon of onion seed, mix it. Now add 1 medium sized sliced onion and add bitter gourd flesh and seed. Add salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and cook for half a minute. Now let it cool down. Now mix it and cook for 1 minute. Now switch off the gas and add half a teaspoon of dry mango powder. Mix it again and grind it, and your stuffing is ready. Stuff them completely and properly and seal them using a thread. Now in another fry pan, add 2 to 3 teaspoon of refined oil, add quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seed, cook for 30 seconds, add quarter teaspoon of fennel seed, quarter teaspoon of coriander seed and quarter teaspoon of onion seed. Now add stuffed bitter gourd. Take a spoon and put hot oil on the top of bitter gourd and cover all the bitter gourd with oil and the seeds. Toss it, cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. Now put rest of the stuffing. Add pinch of salt, mix it well, cover it and leave it till bitter gourd is completely done. And after 2 to 3 minutes, your stuffed bitter gourd is ready. Thank you.